Welcome to a quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding a background color to your documents on Google Docs. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the document you want to use or creating a new one. In the document editor, click File from the top left toolbar. Now select Page Setup from the bottom of the list of options. In Page Setup, there is a page color setting. Click the box to open the color selecting tool. You can now choose the background color for your document. If you want to make your own color, click Create Custom Color, and then create your ideal color or enter the RGB code. Click Set as Default if you want every new document you make to have that background color. Click OK once you're done. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Google Docs tips and tricks.